Hello everyone. Today's my subject is Introduction to Civil Engineering. My name is Purnima Bhatt. I am studying in Engineering first sem with a Data Science stream. Today's course is Introduction to Civil Engineering and today's I am explaining the topic is Urban Air Pollution Management. Firstly, Urban Air Pollution Management. Introduction to Urban Air Pollution Management. Urban air pollution is a major environmental and the health concern in the cities worldwide. Effective management strategies are essential to reduce the adverse effect of the air pollution. Collaboration between the government, industry and the citizens is crucial for the successful implementation. Understanding the sources of the air pollution in the urban areas. Traffic emissions, industrial activities and the residential energy use are major sources of the urban air pollution management. Construction and the demolition activities is also contribute significantly to air pollution in the cities. Understanding the sources helps in the developing targeted management strategies. And then regulatory measures for urban air pollution management. Implementation of emission standards and regulations for vehicles and industries is essential. Monitoring and the enforcement of the compliance with these regulations are crucial for the effective management. Regular inspections and the penalties for non-compliance can discourage polluting practices. Promoting sustainable transportation for air pollution reduction. Encouraging the use of the public transportation, cycling and walking can reduce the vehicle emissions. Investing in the infrastructure for electric vehicle and promoting their adoption is crucial. Implementing carpooling and the ride sharing programs can further reduce the traffic congestion and the emissions. Improving industrial practices for air pollution control. Encouraging the industries to adopt cleaner technologies and practices is essential. Following pictures that shows how to cleaner technologies and practices is essential. Implementing emissions can control the devices and regular maintenance can significantly reduce the industrial emissions. Promoting the use of the renewable energy sources can further air pollution from the industries. And then enhancing the energy efficiency in the residential and the commercial sectors. How to enhancing the energy efficiency? Firstly, promoting energy efficiency, appliances and the building materials can reduce the energy consumption and the emissions. Encouraging the use of the renewable energy sources in the residential and the commercial buildings is crucial. Implementing the energy saving practices such as insulation and proper ventilation can further reduce indoor pollutions. And then urban planning for the air pollution management. How to planning the urban places. Integrating the green spaces and trees in urban planning can help mitigate air pollution. This will reduces the air pollution. Then designing cities to promote walkability and reduce the need for long commutes can reduce the emissions. Implementing zoning regulations to separate industrial areas from the residential areas can prevent the exposure to harmful pollutions. We know that from the industries, air pollution will be grown again and again. Public awareness and the education for air pollution prevention. Raising awareness about the health impacts of the air pollution is crucial for the public engagement. Educating citizens about the simple measures they can take, such as using public transportation, can make a significant difference. Encouraging citizen participation in the air quality monitoring and reporting can help identify areas for the improvement. And finally, the conclusion is urban air pollution management that requires a comprehensive approach involving the various stakeholders. Combining regulatory measures, sustainable transportation, industrial practices, energy efficiency, urban planning and public awareness is the key. Continuous monitoring and the evaluation of the effectiveness of the management strategies are essential for the long-term successes. Thank you guys. Please like, share and view my video, that matters a lot for me.